Ooh, that looks good. Oh shit. What's going on, guys? Chris SVT here. Most of you guys know that my Shelby is all stock other than the off-road X-Pipe and the Corsa Extremes, and you know, just looks wise. But other than that, I have nothing under the hood. So today that will change. I am finally getting it tuned by Lund. I got the N-Gauge tuner right here, and I got a VMP smaller pulley. So I feel like that's gonna be a great combination with my off-road X-Pipe. I can't wait to get it on. Let's go do some pulls to show you that you can't even hear my pulley right now because my exhaust is so loud. I still don't think you'll be able to hear it with the VMP pulley, but I know it's gonna give me some power gains, so that's dope. But if it does give me a better whine, then I'm down for that too. Let's get going to Guyett Performance and get this installed today.
Cool.
Okay, so I'm right here with Evan from Guyett Performance. He just tried on his pulley remover, the puller, and it does seem to fit it. Guyett, I have the stuff over here. I have the tensioner, and this is the pulley I was saying. It's the 2.4, I believe, from VMP. Here it is right there.
Yeah.
Yep, tad bit smaller. I will be back for you, baby. I promise I'll be back. I just got dropped off to pick her up. Let's see how she sounds and performs. So we got the stock pulley right here. He's bringing the keys out. We're about to check it out. See what the tensioner and smaller pulley looks under the hood right there. Telling you guys, Evan is the guy. Come to Guyett Performance right here, Clovis and Clinton. Ooh, that looks good. Yep. It doesn't look that much smaller holding it out, but you know, once it's on there, you can tell, comparing them side to side too.
More boost, more power.
More boost. I'm ready. Were you able to get the tune on there, or yeah, I'll go ahead and do that real quick. Yeah, I'll do that before I head out.
And then to complete it, you're also going to want to put a set of the NGK TR6 plugs.
Yeah.
Number 4177.
And you said I could go E85 with that too, right?
You can get those at 30 thousandths. You're a step colder on the plug, and you'll be ready to go.
Yeah, I'm also going to do the intake and throttle body soon, so that'll all pair on together really nice, you know. Sure. All right, guys, so we got the pulley on there, so we got to get that Lund tune going with the N-Gauge. Let's plug her on up. I already got the tune loaded in. It seems fairly easy, a lot easier than I used to have. I know I used to have Bama on my 5.0, and that was kind of complicated downloading the software, but you don't even need software for Lund. All you do is just copy and paste it, and pretty simple. Let's see. Okay, 8 minutes. Turn key on, do not start engine. All right, installing. The tune is done. Moment of truth, let's check it out. Let's get going. Thank you guys. I'll do a little pull for you guys in a little bit, see if we can actually hear the supercharger. If not, once I get the intake and throttle body and the sound tube that I want to get, it's gonna sound real good in here. I don't know if there'll be a difference right now at all, but I mean, there will be a little bit of power gains for sure, no doubt about that. Especially because now it's pairing off with the off-road X-Pipe, so it's gonna like that a lot with the tune. And another good thing, I don't got the check engine light anymore. A lot of people would tell me, how do you have a Shelby and you have a check engine light on? But they didn't really know that, you know, once you have to take off the cats, with no tune, you throw up a light. You can for sure tell a difference right there. Can't hear the supercharger pulley yet, but I mean it is a lot faster. Oh shit. Oh hell yeah, bro. It never used to break loose like that in the heat. Right now it is hot outside and it never used to break out like that in first, and it really did right now. Damn, that's crazy. It pops a lot more too. Hell yeah. Damn, this car's insane now. All right guys, I'm warming up the car right now and we're gonna head down the street and we're gonna start data logging the car. So all we gotta do, it seems pretty simple. At operating temp, we gotta log the idle for 3 to 5 minutes and then rev and hold for 10 to 15 seconds at 1500 RPM, 2500 RPM, and 3500 RPM. And then keep the engine running, proceed to drive it, and then in second gear or third gear, do a slow RPM climb from 2500 to 5000 RPM, and then do another one wide open throttle from 2500 to 7200 RPM in second or third gear again. I think I'm gonna do second gear for both, as the tires I have stick pretty good right now and it's pretty warm outside, so I feel like I could do the 2500 one. So yeah, it seems pretty simple. Let's get this going. Got to do a second gear 2500 to 5000 slow climb. 2500. That's 5000. 2500. 5000. 2500. 5000. Oh shit. All right, now we got to do 2500 to 7200, but wide open throttle. I'm letting the car idle for 1 to 2 minutes to finish up the data log. I'm taking the car to the track. Tonight I'm gonna switch out the valves for the welds. They're the 305 4517s, so it should run way better than these on the track. We're gonna hit Famoso this weekend with the boys. The HH race squad is going, and I'm switching out my oil. It's time for an oil change almost. I could have ran it a little bit longer, but since I'm going to the track, I decided to put some fresh oil in there. Like I mentioned, I'm taking the car to the track this weekend. It should be very fun. It's gonna be my first time ever racing a car at the drag strip, so that should be pretty dope. I'm hoping to break 11s. You know, it's my first time going, so we'll see how we do. We'll see if I could get the car sticking, because I heard sometimes the prep isn't too good at the track. But yeah, let's see what happens. I gotta go buy my helmet today, and like I said, do the oil change and swap out my welds, and we should be gravy.